Hey guys! Quick story time. While this may seem like a lot of clothes, dancing in circles, flailing in a mountain of clothes, I'd just like to point out that all of this is ethical and thrifted. And all of this was not purchased in the Rona thriving world, but online, like Thredup. No peoples or earth were harmed or contaminated in the making of this video. And finally, thank you guys for clicking on this video after try on summer thrift haul 2020. Just like to casually point out as well that none of this really fit me when I first purchased it. You know, because I'm pretty broke. I could really only afford all of this clothing because I looked at all of the size groups. So there you go, a bonus hack. So I guess we should start this video. Yep, let's start this video. P.S. I'm not styling. I love styling, but not today. Today, I'm showing you what I got. If you want to see styling, that's next week's video. Next week, I'm going to post a video, a summer lookbook with a lot of these clothes, but styled. So if you're lucky, click the subscribe button down below and the little bell to remind you when I post. As well, if you like any of these items and want me to style them, let me know in the comments down below.
I was able to pop it in high school, so when I get comments, it makes me really happy, it makes me feel good.
Anyway, back to the clothes, Yoko. I made sure when I purchased them that they were high-waisted and any color between light brown and yellow. It made it lighter for summer and worked better with the pastel colors of the season. The thing I think worked best with these pants is the shape, which I cut out myself. I love the trimmed pants, the way they flare out a little in a very simple chic way, and it gives room for a little bit of ankle flirting. And it's super light and comfy. Originally $180 and this was $10. Who's got money for that? These pants, I know, are ridiculously vintage. I got these from Thredup. The print is super fun. I've been a little bit obsessed with disco/fun 80 prints, and if you kind of look from far out, my pants sort of look like a disco dance floor. But these pants were also extremely large. Extremely. So I trimmed it in a lot. And these were only $12.99. I got more pants. This isn't even the last one, but I just felt like this print was exactly like the prints people were paying stupid money for. Example, with Jean, Colleen Estrada. Although Colleen Estrada is amazing and worth every dime, am I right? If you didn't know who Colleen Estrada is, you do now. You're welcome. Am I saying that right? This one definitely didn't have shape, but after a little tweaking, I got it to a cute length and all for the price of $13.99. Okay, these are the last ones. The last ones, I promise. I've had this weird obsession with checkered prints recently, and while this is definitely more played, it definitely filled the hole in my heart. It's definitely got more of an edge compared to the other clothes I bought, but I thought it would go really well with a lot of the vintage clothes I have in my wardrobe. Not that I'm styling in this video. Curb the temptation. These were still a little big, but weirdly enough, the perfect high waist. So happy Yoko for $12.99. I lied. These are pants. These is a blazer. I didn't thrift these on Thredup, but I did get them secondhand. If we are all being real here, everybody is having a little bit of a green moment. Green trends, green clothes, sometimes green on green on green clothes. I did tweak these a little in the hips, and while summer isn't the best time for the power suit combo, I got it, I loved it, and I had to add it. Oh, it's summer? That's okay, I could just come back later. Psych! I did not go through the effort of putting on these pants just so I could be held back by summer. I will be doing something extremely groovy in a later coming video to these pants, because yes, your girl is organized. It's got a nice flare and they are Theory. Okay, that isn't cheap. From its original price of $265, not bad. And they are brand spanking new. Sorry, that may have been a little bit inappropriate, but they pretty perfect. And it's sometimes cheaper buying clothes off season. Cheap thrift hack number 2. I also bought some shorts for summer. From the store I love, just love. Let's hear it again. She got it from Thredup. Yes, I know, Kyoko, you're a broken record. But not everything in this video is from Thredup. Thredup. I need to stop saying Thredup. Anyway, they're cute and small and green. We've established that that's important for summer 2020. And while I could be less lazy and tingle with the shape of these shorts, I just pulled the string and voila, got these for $9.99. And now for the other half. the tops. Believe it or not, this is $5.99, made from silk, BCBG Maxaziri.
Does anyone know how to say this right?
And I did get it from Goodwill. I succumbed just once for this video. I swear I was safe. I'm only human. But it was so cheap for what it's worth and old. So many people were like, but look how cute it is now. It's vintage and it's got that charming vintage print. And yes, this sort of looks like a male bush turkey snack.
Half the fashion world uses animals for inspo. See?
Yes. This top was from Thredup for $7.99. It's nothing special, I just needed one pretty lace vintagey top and there were like a gazillion on Thredup, so feel free to check them out. They are the easiest things to style. I also got this one. It's from Great Labels, my favorite thrift store in LA. It's exceedingly simple but so figure hugging and it's got a nice neckline. And I feel like with basics, it's so easy to look bad, so it's just better when you go designer. Not to sound, you know. But they have a way of making simple things look good and they will also last longer. This is from Wolf Horde, and it was $30, I think. This shirt, I mean, you don't even need to spend the $30 I spent on it. Heck, you could just walk straight into your dad's wardrobe, take one of his business shirts and just cut it up. Don't do that. It did look less feminine and appealing to begin with. I had to tighten the sides in to get a more feminine look. I got inspired by this $200 dress, but this cost $30, so who is the winner in this situation? I also love the coral color. Obsessed with orange this season. I got this from Thredup too. It's got a nice hem, nice puffy sleeves. I originally bought it thinking I would need it for my yellow thrift dress linked up above in my thrift flip, but I didn't. I just kept it as a nice vintage shirt that's easy to chuck on and perfect for summer because it is super airy. Yeah, but only $13.99. This shirt is mind-blowing. I'm in love. If you've seen my other videos, I did a what's in my bag wearing this shirt. I'll link it up there. Its colors are gorgeous and it's so bright. Also adore the white with the blue. It makes the shirt so crisp and clean, and the mid-arm length sleeves are super feminine. And the part I'm most excited about are these little dangling cufflinks. It's my first cufflinks. Here's a small thing for 70 bucks. Yes, I binged, but this was from Great Labels, and to me, Great Labels is just, yeah, no words. Now I'm gonna be a little political. Etro, I love you. The stunt you pulled at Fashion Week, not that progressive. I still love you, but next time, be sure to add ethnically diverse crowds of guests and influencers. Yes, please and thank you. Okay, this shirt is Etro, no way. And it was, wait for it, $12. 12 mind-blowing dollars. It's Etro. This store is proudly on Rodeo Drive and it was $12. She did good, am I right? And like I said before, I have been a sucker for orange and for cute buns. Heck yes. My last Thredup purchase was this. And you're probably wondering, why this? Well, it was $13.99. It had a cute white neckline with thick straps and I planned to embroider all over it. So I gave away one of my upcoming videos. It happens. So don't forget to subscribe if you were really testing to see if you liked me first, because you made it to the end of the video and I'm impressed. That video will be out soon and I'm going to be turning moderately cute clothing into really cute clothing. So wait for that. And I will be back next week with a summer lookbook styling video, which I am pretty keen about. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you wanted anything specifically styled in that video. And if you like this video, please like it. Every little bit helps me grow my channel. So I really appreciate it and have a great week, you guys. Mwah.